What's going on, guys? Quick little update on the truck since I haven't posted for a little while. I do have it out. I've been driving it for a little bit. Let me show you guys a little, if I can flip this around. So I have been driving it. A couple little issues to take care of, but it is pretty quick the way it is. Not really having too many issues. I accidentally put a hole in the radiator, so that's cool. I got to take care of that. I got a new radiator I'm going to be putting in, as well as a little fuel leak I got to take care of. But overall, it's been running really good. It's really quick with the twin turbo setup I have in it right now. Still got to sand the bed over here, as you can see, and some other little stuff. I'm going to be putting Poppy's patina on it and a couple other little things. If you guys want to see, I'll take a couple more videos of me doing that. But I figured I'd give you guys a quick little update on it. Let you know it is running, it is on the road. See if I can get some videos of me driving it. But, you know, it's a running driving project at this point, which is cool. So, like I said, if you guys want to keep seeing videos on it, let me know. And I'll keep doing that. Otherwise, the next project is sitting under here. Can't really see much of it, but... So, under there is a 67 Camaro. That's the next project that I'm going to be working on. There's a little bit of metal work left to do on it. I just put a roof on it the other day. I have to do the tail panel. And I also have to do rear deck filler panel. And maybe something with the firewall. But after that, I have a 604 4L80E. I just took a harness out of a truck today and converted it over to be a standalone and to work with the 4L80. So that's pretty much ready. I have some QA1 suspension for it. But yeah, if you guys want to see videos on that, I'll post them as I go on that. I'm going to probably do that in the driveway rather than take it to my shop because it's a little bit easier. But yeah, I figured I'd post a quick little update for you guys, let you know what's going on. And like I said, I can get some more videos up soon. If you guys are interested in that, just let me know. Thanks.